This year, we're super excited to be able to support Bikes for Kids 2025.
Humanitarian Council helps organize the volunteer effort for Bikes for Kids. We have over 100 volunteers from our staff that come out every 2 years to help put these bikes together.
This year we're working with 11 charities. Our largest order was from Country Santa, 184 bikes, and then Greer Relief ordered 183 bikes.
How about that?
I'm totally excited to be a part of Bikes for Kids because, one, it's an opportunity to be able to give back. It's an amazing feeling to play a small part.
Giving to kids that may not have the privilege of getting bikes, it's something that surprises them, and who doesn't like a surprise, especially around this time of year.
On behalf of the Humanitarian Council, we would really like to thank the Resurgent employees that participated and gave their time. We'd like to thank our service network partners who donated over $60,000 to fund this project and make this happen.
It's really fun. You learn a lot about building the bikes, and anybody that has never done it, I would definitely recommend just getting that experience to see what it's like to actually do that and build it for somebody else.
Do it. Jump in, don't be afraid. It gives you the ability to build relationships within the company, but then to pour into something that someone else gets to enjoy, like, do it. By all means, do it.